Alright, here we go. The end dog for Wednesday here. New day opening gap. See what they gave us. Doesn't look too good, honestly. We'll see what we got to work with there. That's crazy. It's 092. It's a two handle gap end dog. I'm still overall still bullish, but I'm gonna see how how the market reacts to these sell sides here. Might zoom out a little bit more. This previous week low, I doubt they'll take it all the way to previous week low, just because of, isn't that crazy? That's exactly where it bounced off right there. Friday 2 p.m. So there's a very important range for me. I want to see how they treat these sell sides, and depending on how they treat them, I'll take a long from one of these. Try to see the reaction, of course, but I think I'm too zoomed in, too zoomed out there. So this is a very solid one right here. I'll use this one. I'll use this swing low right here. And then overall draw for profit. I'm really liking this Monday's fair value gap, just because the way it's treating it is bouncing around. There's a lot of movement in there. And I like these two right here too for further profit taking, especially because there's some pretty smooth highs right here. It's a nice liquidity pool. So I'm just gonna wait for it to react. Don't want to jump the gun today. It can draw all the way down to previous week low, so I'm gotta be wary of that, but I'll keep my eye on these sell sides right here and we'll go from there. I'll be back. Alright, let's see. Kind of a slow market right now. I want to see how it reacts at this macro. Want to see one of these buy side liquidities stay open, take out the sell side, gravitate towards one of these, hopefully wick down there. I'd like to see this one preferably manipulate down here and then start working up. I'll take this one though too. And these are all just targets it's making, like the end dog. So we'll see right now. I'm gonna let this play out. Alright, let's see. I got in the short right here after it created this buy-side liquidity. Got in right here. Saw this little break. I think I saw it on the 15-second. It was a lot more obvious. 15-second time frame. Hit right here. Got in at the end dog right here, top of the end dog, aiming for just 20 points on this. Not really a fan of this trade. I'm bullish right now, but I mean, it's fair to say it needs a little retracement. I'm hoping this wasn't all of it. 0.75, so four points away right here. Hoping here at the half of the hour we could just flash down. Let's see, 8 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. And nope, that's crazy. Ultimately, what I want to see is this sell side get taken just real fast and then start working its way up. We'll see though. It's real bullish right now. Just let this play out. Well, it didn't offer a sweep the way I wanted to. This is a Judah swing. Really hope not. The way it just came above these 5-minute fair value gaps again. It was like a reclaim and then re-inverse right here. Pulling off at the end dog again just in case it wants to touch that and flush again. And if it doesn't, it wants to take out this buy side liquidity. I'm going to go for yesterday's low. Tuesday low right here. See if we can get up there right now. That'd be a pretty solid trade right there. Let's see. 790. We'll see right now. Let's let this play out. Here we go, another perfect example right here. Patience is a mastery, not a skill set. Whole time I was expecting sell side, post 6 p.m. sell side liquidity to be taken. Did this, went above the end dog, closed up. That's when I shorted it. Came down, took my profit. After 20 points right here. And then I saw these two 5-minute fair value gaps want to get inversed, re-inverse after reclaiming right here. I'm bullish bias, so I'm looking up, not too far down except for liquidity taking purposes. Goes up right to the end dog, new day opening gap again right here. Rejects off of it. I was waiting for yesterday's low to be hit, and now we're in the macro. Comes down, reclaims these 5-minute bearish fair value gaps again, and takes this very minor sell side of this range right here, like a swing low that it made right at around 6:30 p.m. Comes down, takes that. Post 6 p.m. sell side is still open. This is what I want. This is one I really want to see taken before I can go long, even though I'm in right here. I'll just average it down, and 983, 19. which will definitely be more of a long range trade. Probably stop loss a couple points below this consequent or equilibrium with this fair value gap. It's on the 4 hour. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. See what we get though. It's very interesting the way it did that. A lot of the times when it's really bullish or bearish, vice versa, it'll go and just take things out by one tick and then start running back up. But we'll see right now. 8 p.m. is a very interesting hour for it to do that. It could just flash down right now. Let's see. Got 50 seconds, 45 seconds left on this candle. See what it decides to do. Yep. Two more seconds here. We're at the top of this 4 hour fair value gap. See how it reacts off of that. I already dipped into it when it created the sell side, so it's extremely bullish. It could leave this open, but I doubt it. Here we are, right at the turn of the hour, 8 p.m. I'm gonna take this off so we can see the wicks. And right around, once it starts taking out sell side like this, and we're in the macro, I'll start drawing out the fair value gaps that brought us down to the sell side. So right here we can leave this baby little gap open right here. We got 29 more seconds. Oh, nope, negated that. There we go. Let's see that. This is when I go up to the 30-second time frame, and there's a nice imbalance right there. You can see it off the 30 seconds right here. Bearish for value gap. So once it starts taking out sell side like this, I start looking for clues right here. It's just closing above, and I don't feel bad adding one right there. Boom, 63 right above that. See if we can stay that open. And then I'll just 73. Let's see, it's 78. I'll probably go for this post 6 p.m. sell side buy side liquidity, just because if it starts going up and pushing above, it should clear this. And that might have not been it, but we'll see how it treats the sell side now. But see, this one got taken, so I'll just kind of make it gray, indicate for me it's taken. This is the next step here. This is a very important one right here. If it gets down here, the reaction off this would be very important. Just trying to get away. Let's see if we can get above. This is the 30-second. Get back to the 1 minute. See if there's anything on the 5 minute. We can inverse, and there sure is. There's just fair value gap right here. There's kind of moment of truth right here. 5 minute fair value. Go back to the 1 minute. I want to see how I can react off this. Ultimately looking for an inverse back up if it's gonna offer it right now. But you see how I just went into it. It's negating. Let's see, clear close above this. Where's the 30-second? Oh, that looks ugly. All right. Okay. 5 minute fair value gap. We got this bearish order block right here that happened in the macro too, so we want to see this get inversed. Bearish order block. And this for me will probably make a safe zone if we can get above this. Make it in yellow. Yellow is my inverse color. Perfect. Look at that. Can't get too happy though. This could just be a Judah swing and continue down, but we will see. 1 minute, looking healthy. Right at 8 p.m. Changing the state of delivery. Look at that. See if it can hold though. Still in the macro. Could eat it right back up. So there's this bearish order block. We're trying to inverse. 26 more seconds till this closes, and in the process is going to leave a fair value gap open in the macro. Oh, don't close down too low. I'll just make this one real green just because it's supposed to rip this up. So this fair value gap is really important to me. Embedded with all this, so this is why my charts start getting real colorful. But if you know what's going on, you know the story. It's just data for you. You know, it shouldn't get you confused. All right. I'll go for a Mohawk entry right here. If it offers it, we'll see. If it's truly bullish, it should just push up right now, but you never know with NQ. If it decides to come up here and give me some profit, I'll be okay with that too. Weird little candle there. I'm gonna let this play out. Oh man, what a ride. Let's see. I was off by a minute here. Take this off just to doesn't get too crazy, but see how I worked right down there and brought us up. It's the move I was looking for. I thought it was gonna hit Buyside liquidity post 6 p.m. It's okay, I'm pretty comfortable in this position. I'll just let this ride out. And Tuesday low, if we can get there, I'll be done for the day right now. That'll be a nice amount of handles there. See if we can do it here. We got a macro coming up in the next 16 minutes, so hopefully that's when we can get out there. It's my favorite macro too, 9 p.m. We'll see right now. I'm gonna let this play out. Don't want this to be such a long video, so hope we can get up here right now. Look at that, it's beautiful. Well, let's see what it does. Alright, let's see. NQ's being a little iffy here. We need a nice blast off into this buy-side liquidity right now, or it's not gonna look too good. Like this impulsive candle right here. I'm hoping before, a little bit after, a minute or two before or after 9:30, we can start shooting up here. Nice little retracement and reaction right here. Order block, bullish order block at the last minute of the macro, so I highlighted this one. 9:10 formed right here. Immediately right after that, little stop hunt right there, took this whole liquidity right here and then gave it an impulsive candle after. So I think I'm pretty well positioned right here. It would suck to see the end dog get rejected again, like the last 1, 2, 3 or so times. Hope we can get up to this buy side liquidity, and then I'll have one for yesterday's low, Tuesday's low, well today, but we're technically on Wednesday right now. So yeah, we'll see here. Let's see if we can do it first. We have 8 more minutes to half of the hour, so I'm gonna just let that play right here. Let's see. Ooh, that was beautiful. Came a little shy of the yesterday's low. So I closed that out right there. It's happened to me a lot where it gets this close, starts hesitating, and it could very much go right through it right now. But I wanted to secure the profit right there and end this video nice and short. Well over 100 handles here for sure. I'm gonna do the math on this and see how many handles I executed and end this video here. But we'll watch watch and wait for this to hit. There it is. Boom. Would have been cashed out right there. So 6 to 13. That's we're doing micros. That's an extra 7. That's an extra $14. So see, just like that. And that's if I would have had another handle or two, I would have aimed for this. One handle here, another handle here, but I'm very happy with this. Now that this pretty much solidifies my bias of being long right now. We could see it never went back to this post 6 p.m. south side liquidity, so good thing I didn't wait for that. And that's why I went in right here as soon as it took this one out. Went in right there on the inverse of this. And yeah, the rest is history, but we'll see how many handles is this, and we'll just watch this right now. Okay, just did the math on that. So from this short here, that was 20 handles, and then everything else in between this long and me adding and taking profit like that came out to 164.5 handles. So it's not bad at all. I'll take that. Pretty much be done for now. I'm gonna let this rest and let my brain rest a little bit too. I've been sitting here the whole time for a few hours now, and I'll set some alerts maybe at the end dog. Maybe this is gonna come quick, but I want to see if NQ was messed up enough to sweep this whole sell side, because it's never swept this sell side. That's what had me kind of nervous right now. See if it sweeps the sell side, gets into these two, and this will be this is the trade I'm really looking for right here. And I'll probably go in 7 to 10 contracts down here, work into it, start with like 3 or 4, and then double up, and see if I can get a nice run. But yeah, that'll do it for this one. Till next time. Ooh, okay. Right around here starts to hurt. Oh, hopefully it doesn't go for this buy side right here. It'd be crazy. But anyways, I'm happy. I'm good. Caught the little baby run. Should have been patient on this last contract. Maybe taking 2 and then 1 right here, and then we'll let 1 ride to this consequent. But it's okay. We'll catch more later on. Done for the night. Let's get out of here, touch some grass.